So now we have our designs ready to go. The next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and register for your free Etsy store. This is where we are going to be listing those products for sale. So to do that, you want to go to the Etsy website. You can just do a quick Google search, guys, and it will bring you to this platform. Now, if you go to sign in, right, it will give you the option to register for a new account. If you don't already have an account, you can just key in an email address, that is valid, your first name, your last name, and then tick that box and then register. And then that should create your Etsy store where you can now start selling your designs from Printful. Now you're registered with an Etsy seller account. The next thing you want to do now is you want to integrate your Etsy store with your Printful account. So now we have our Etsy store set up. The next thing you want to do is you want to connect your Printful store to your Etsy account. So to integrate your Printful store with your Etsy account, you want to go to stores. Now, when you go to the store section, you will see an option here to choose a platform. As you can see, Printful actually integrates with a ton of different e-commerce platforms out there, which is just amazing. You can integrate your Printful store with Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, so many different platforms out there. So if we just go to choose platform, as you can see, there's a ton of platforms, even Walmart, guys, like it's crazy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and connect with our Etsy store. So if you just click on connect, and it's a very short video here just showing you how to, connect your Etsy store to your Printful account. But honestly, it's super, super straightforward. If I just go ahead and I just click connect to Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grant access. Okay. And a few moments later, we have our Printful store integrated with our Etsy account. As you can see, right now, everything is going to be synced to our Etsy store. So every time somebody comes on Etsy and purchases that product, Printful is going to be notified and they will essentially go out and, process the orders, package it and ship it out directly to my customers. I don't have to do nothing moving forward. So if I just go ahead and I add a product, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to find a product from my product template. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to go with this one. I'll just click on that product because it's already saved in my product templates and it's just easier for me to add it directly to my Etsy store from here. So if I just proceed to mockups, so once you've selected the product, guys, the image, you can go now to continue. And then here you can put a product description. I'm going to put here as Mama Bear hoodie for women. Again, you want to be using keywords that your target audience are potentially searching for on the internet. So I know hoodie for women is something that someone's always going to be looking for. You can even make it as unique as having something like a color there, like pink hoodie for women, black hoodie for women. Then I'll just go ahead and I'll click on continue. As you can see, this is the cost price. Printful price is the cost price you're going to be paying Printful to actually fulfill and ship out the product. So that's actually the cost of sourcing that product from Printful. The retail price is what you're going to be selling the product to your customers for. So this always has to be higher than your cost price. Because if you're selling something for $19 and you're paying $21, you're actually making a loss. So in this case, I'm going to be selling this for like $49, guys, okay? Which is a pretty sweet price for a hoodie because think about it. This is not just a hoodie, but it's actually a hoodie with your unique designs. There's hoodies out here being sold for hundreds and hundreds of dollars because of the branding, okay? So now we have that the $49 is basically giving us an average estimation of how much profit we can make per sale of the products, which is just super, super amazing. And one thing I love about Etsy is the fact that it actually attracts more of premium buyers as opposed to platforms like Amazon where people go and they actually buy based on prices because there's a lot of competition there. People go on Etsy because, they actually want that customization. And this is why print on demand dropshipping works so well on Etsy. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to submit to the store and we're going to give it a few seconds and you will see this product being listed on my Etsy store, guys. I don't have to go on Etsy and manually add this product and I don't have to go back to Printful to manually fulfill this orders. Everything now becomes autopilot money, guys. And guys, that's me back in my Etsy account a few seconds later and you can see that product is already automatically listed there, ready for me to publish because every time you publish on Etsy, you are charged a 20-cent fee. So you actually have to go back to Etsy and manually hit that publish. It's not going to automatically publish your listing on the Etsy platform. So you actually have to go out there and approve that listing, okay? As you can see, this is pretty much what your product will look like when it goes live. When you hit that publish, you're going to have your Printful products, guys, listed on your Etsy store. All the integrations are here already. So you don't have to go out there and start trying to manually list products on Etsy, which can save you a ton of time as well. And every time somebody comes on my Etsy store and purchases this $49 hoodie, guess what? Printful are going to automatically fulfill and ship that product out directly to my customer whilst I sit back and keep my profit. And as you can see with this product, I'm making about 23, 24 pounds profit out of it, and I don't have to touch no inventory. I don't have to buy anything in bulk. I don't have to handle no fulfillment. I can be out here spending time with my kids whilst everything is being done on autopilot.